All right, hello. This is how you're going to open up the document that I assigned to you, the Icivics workbook on state and local government. This is a PDF file, and we've done these before. In this particular one, you have to open with a specific app called Lumin. I'm going to show you how that works. You can see the assignment right here. I'm using my son's account, so I don't have to log in as one of you guys. And when I click on it, the first screen I'm going to get is like this. So it looks like a kind of like a piece of paper on a black background. And this is not anything that you can add words to or check boxes on right now. It's just a view only. When I want to get it so I can open it and edit it and share it with Mr. Scott, I go up here to the corner where there's a little picture of a printer. Then next to it are the three dots. Okay. When I click on the three dots, I get the option to open in a new window. I click on open in a new window, and then it's going to look pretty much like it did before. And you're like, why did you do that? But there's one feature I have now that it didn't, which is that right above the center of the page where it says open with. And I'm going to click down. You might not yet have Lumen PDF connected to your account, but it will give you the option to do so, where it says connect more apps. Connecting Lumen to your account is pretty simple. It's just giving it permissions and clicking through. Once you have Lumen PDF, it works really well. Read-write for Google Chrome won't work for this project for some reason. I guess they just don't play well. And Google Docs will make the document look really bad. Lumen PDF will work though, so I'm going to click on Lumen. Expect this to take a while on your device, especially for the first time, because it's converting a 90-page document to an editable PDF. So it's not going to load right away, but we all have lots of time right now. Once it does load, you'll be able to click boxes. When you click on a place where it says write something, you'll be able to write automatically. There's even a little free drawing marker symbol where you could do a little doodle for some of those things where it asks you to draw or circle something. And the key thing that I want you to do first, and this is how you'll get graded, is go up here like any Google document and click share. And you want to add me, Mr. Scott, your teacher, so that I'll be able to see the work that you're doing as you go along. So that is how you open and share a document with Lumen PDF on your Google Chromebook. And this should probably work the same even if you're on a Mac or a PC at home. If you can't open it, the only way you'll get credit is if you actually attempt to reach out to me for tech support. If you just say I couldn't open it and you don't reach out to me for help, then you will get a 0. All right. Good luck.